Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut. The first thing I want you to do is come in the top panel, click on Trade, click on P2P. So this is the peer-to-peer market. And then make sure you click here on Sell. Okay, make sure you've selected your crypto. So for example, I have USDT selected and my currency I've chosen it as US dollars. Now payment methods, what I want you to do is just search up bank. Okay, and what you're going to do, you're going to do a normal bank transfer because Revolut actually has banking details for each currency account. So choose the correct currency, choose bank transfer, then you look for a merchant. So this one is a bronze merchant. Okay, this one is a silver one, a little bit better. You can see the pricing. This one has the best price. And you can see the available amounts. Of course, you can enter your transaction amount here. You'll find people with the exact criteria will be filtered out. You choose someone with a good amount of orders, really good completion rate, almost 100%, almost 100% positive feedback rating, and the least time for a transfer completion. And then what you do, you come here, click on Sell USDT, okay? You enter the amount you would want to sell. You'll see how much you'll receive. You set your payment method right here. For example, you go ahead and choose a bank transfer. Then you just go ahead and enter your details. So your name will be automatically selected, then your bank account or account number from Revolut, your bank name, right? All the details you'll see on Revolut, you enter them right here. There's a QR code, upload that, and then hit confirm. And you can continue with the transaction process. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.